so this is from Byte, and we're gonna open this up together. But before I open this up, I just want you guys to see my teeth. This one right here, yeah, Since I was a kid, this tooth has bothered me, but as I got older, it's gotten worse because my wisdom teeth have been pushing my teeth all types of crazy places since high school. But now that they're all settled and in their little, you know, I don't know, spots, it's a hot mess for me. So I am gonna share something with you guys that I don't know if you noticed, but I only take pictures on the left-hand side. Scroll through my Instagram and you will see. All my thumbnails, scroll through them and you will see. And I do that because I hate this side of my face for this tooth. I'm gonna kick it. So, yes, I'm actually really serious. If you go through my Instagram and my YouTube thumbnails, you will see that the majority of my pictures are on my left side because I hate my right side because of my little baby tooth that's pushed all the way back. So, yes, let's get into this. I'm done talking. Bite me. Bite me. Impress yourself. I'm just so hyped. You guys don't even understand. Like, I've been wanting my teeth fixed since high school, and like my parents are so sick of hearing me say it, and now I am doing it. The packaging on this though is A1. The silver and the red I'm totally digging. Wow, these phrases make me feel so good. You look good, but you're about to look better. That was cute, right? You know it's cute, I don't know why you're shaking your head. So my childhood friend Alex will be helping me do my putty. All right, so it comes right here with this molding putty, gloves, and cheek stretcher, and molding trays. So first we're gonna start by taking out the putty. All right, okay, so hit me, nurse.
So you're mixing the blue and the white?
Mixing the blue and the white. Okay, so it looks like this, and I'm just gonna mix now until it's one solid color. Nurse, do you mind getting me a molding tray?
Oh, for sure.
Thank you so much.
You just said nurse. Aren't they dental assistants?
Oh yeah, okay. You know what? Don't judge me. Now you're supposed to roll the putty in a 4-inch long cylinder. So I'm gonna take this 4-inch cylinder and put it in the tray. Now the putty's in here, I'm going to put this in my mouth.
That's a lot easier.
Okay, so I got my first one, so now you just gotta do the same thing 3 times, twice on the top, twice on the bottom. And now let's move on to the photos. This part. It's this part.
Wait, what does that do?
You have to take selfies like this. You have to take these.
Oh my god. Wait, where are the cheek stretchers?
I have it right here, here.
You
Did I do it? That was wrong, right? Okay.
Hold on. So I have to take, oh, that's a picture.
That's good. I just drilled in myself.
It's like something out of a horror movie.
It's so close. So I'm done. I put my trays in the box, and now I will be shipping this out. I'm so excited. Y'all, I got out the shower and I opened some packages, and my aligners are here. I'm so hyped. Things are getting better already. Yes. So here's my aligners, and here's my carrying case and my tools and whitening kit. Oh gosh, yes. So it's marked by steps, as you can see. Here is my Hyperbite, which you're supposed to use for 5 minutes per day, which is supposed to shorten the duration of your treatment. Here is my case, and this is the tool needed to take my aligners out, as well as a file for anything that feels uncomfortable. So I'm about to open my step 1, and this is what they look like. Boom. Yes, I'm so hyped. Y'all have no idea how hyped I am, but I'm about to pop my first one in. OMG. Crazy, all right? And then the bottom. So here I am. And oh my god, talking is gonna take some getting used to for sure. But I'm so hyped. If you want a straighter bite, you like how I did that? I'll leave my coupon code right here, as well as the link in the description box below. But yeah, stay tuned for this. I'm so hyped because you guys know I hate this tooth. I hate it with a passion, so I'm hyped. I gotta get my lisp together. I'm about to take myself to bed now. This is very interesting. I feel so weird, but okay. I'm gonna get my talking together, all right? Good night.